Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Wednesday, April 2nd. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is a vegetable you can eat. Correct. And number 2, to look at somebody or something. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. The potatoes are nice. The potatoes are nice. Potatoes. A potato is a delicious vegetable that grows underground. Now we can make a card for potato. For the plural, we add es. Please make a card like this. Write potato up here in the top left corner. Down here in this corner, FOO1. This means food, level 1. And over here the number 38 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Potato. Potato. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. The bird is looking at me. The bird is looking at me. Looking at. It is using its eyes to see you. Now we can make a flashcard for look at. Please make a card like this. To look at, SS. That means somebody or something. Down in this corner, VID1. This means verb, idiom, level 1. And over here the number 46 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Look at. Game over. You did very well today. What does Jennifer eat every day? She eats potatoes. Very good. Spelling ES. And right now, who are you looking at? Very good. I am looking at you. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Can you say number 1? Very good. Danger. This is the noun from dangerous. Number 2, we can sit on the sofa. Very good. That's a long, comfortable chair. And they are filming a movie. This means to make a movie or a video. My name is Vinny from Canada. Nice to meet you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side. You can join anytime. The schedule is rotating.